Ever step into a shower and feel that weak water pressure? Or worse, that sudden blast of cold water? Yeah, it's probably not your water heater, it's your shower valve. This small piece of hardware controls your comfort every single day, and when it's not right, your entire shower experience suffers. So today, I'll show you how to install a Delta Universal Shower Valve like a pro. Clean, precise, and built to last. Let's get into it and make your shower feel brand new again. I'm using a Delta Universal Multi-Choice Valve model R1000-UNBX. Before mounting, wrap all 4 brass threads with Teflon tape about 3 to 4 turns, clockwise, the same direction the fittings tighten. Now screw on your 1/2-inch female drop ear elbows and 1/2-inch male adapters. Make sure each fitting is snug but not over-tightened. You want firm contact without damaging the threads. Once those are secure, check the depth alignment of the valve body. The plaster guard on the front should sit flush with the finished wall surface, not too deep nor sticking out. We're using PEX B tubing for this job with copper crimping rings. You'll need a standard crimping tool, pipe cutter, and a go/no-go gauge. Run your hot water line into the left port, cold water line into the right, and the shower outlet at the top. Make clean, square cuts on each PEX pipe, slide the copper crimping ring over the end, push it fully onto the fitting, then crimp it tight. Always check your crimps with the gauge to make sure they're perfect. Once the plumbing is connected, position the valve so it's centered and level. Fasten it to the cross brace or stud with 2 screws through the mounting ears. Make sure it doesn't move. This is what keeps your handle feeling solid when you turn it later. Before closing up the wall, it's time to test for leaks. Turn on the water supply and check all connections carefully. If everything stays dry, you're good to go. If you spot a drip, shut off the water and re-tighten that joint before continuing. Once the test is clear, you can install the trim kit, handle, escutcheon plate, and shower arm. But that's a separate process, so check out my other video for more detail. And that's it! Your new shower valve is officially installed, watertight, and ready to go. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the next pro-level DIY guide. See you in the next one.